with regard to the water supply, sir, there is a canal available which you were kind enough to sanction and complete at that time, bringing Thottapalli water to Champavati river through Gadigedda reservoir. Unfortunately, in these 5 years, the whole scheme, like everything, had gone into disuse and totally against. This also had not happened.
Yeah.
Now, initially water reached Champavati, water when you were the minister, at that time I was a member of parliament. It had reached. Now, if that can happen, this will be supplemented, sir. It's not a very expensive thing, because initially that connectivity was done with only 25 crores.
Yeah.
Now I don't know what the position would be. If that can be revitalized and done permanently, sir, we have Nagavali river water also available to this scheme. My concerns were with regard to the 500 acres that the previous government deleted from this scheme. In fact, they have not utilized it for anything. If that can be made available to the scheme, it will strengthen the economics of the project. That aside, what we need to probably try and see is the MRO angle of it.
Yeah.
If there is some way of improving, they are thinking of only 2 hangovers, hangers. Now, if this could be planned in such a way where it can be increased, local employment can go up.
Yeah.
I'm sure ways can be found. That is one thing. Then, sir, this is a single runway airport. Visakhapatnam is, and around these areas are bound to grow. Like we would see now, if we miss the bus, it will become another problem. Can we not plan for another parallel runway here, which can be fixed at some future date before construction comes? Because once construction comes, planning that will be very, very difficult. Hyderabad has an advantage because it is a double runway. Bangalore, the second runway has started. And a single runway like Bombay, your maximum movements you are able to get is 57 in an hour. So you are sealing development to that extent. Delhi has more runways, so therefore it has become the busiest airport in the country from here. So we should plan for a future. This plan should last this area for at least 50 to 60 years, sir. If you just plan for 20 years, sir, I think we are not doing justice.
Now, civil aviation, or otherwise, can you tell me National Airport Authority?
Sir.
This is 45 million passengers they can handle. Even assuming that 500 acres will give it to them also. It is maximum they are going to handle 45 million to 50 million with any improvements you can bring. Even Hyderabad, they can handle nearly 100 million also, even more than that, because of land size, all these things. Is there any possibility of optimization now itself? There is 2 runways they are talking. One is independent taxi, so that also they can use it. No, everywhere are having. Visakhapatnam we have given 2,700 acres. They got nearly 500 acres. That is available, we can consider with all development. Is there any other way?
No, sir. This is a single runway airport. Maximum it can go to 45 movement to 50 movement. Even technological advancement would take it to not more than 5-10 movement per hour more. So even after 20-30 years, presently technology which I can foresee doesn't allow to go more than 50-55 million passenger. And second runway, parallel runway, independent runway happens when the distance between 2 runways is more than 1 kilometer. So as the Honorable ex-minister was saying that if state government think that it should go for 100 million type of thing, then probably you have to acquire some more land and give in that particular geography in which it is already available, so that parallel runway can come. Cross runway.
How much land additionally we require?
So they would probably calculate and find out, sir, but maybe another 2,000 acre land. Because in my 2,000 acre land, in my understanding, sir, single runway airport can be built between 800 to 1,000 acre. When you go for two runway airport, you require almost 3,500 to 4,000 acre. In Dholera in Ahmedabad, Airport Authority of India is making double runway airport. So there we have taken 4,000 acres of land, which is bare minimum. We have not taken any land for commercial purpose, unlike here. So this is bare minimum AI takes, so it's only 4,000 acres land, sir. So for double runway, you would require 4,000 acre of land.
Even at the
Plus-
time they visualized only single runway airport.
So nearby area, sir, I mean, this
At
another
the time I
nearby
got,
area, near airport, some other airport in nearby area may be thought of. So cross runway doesn't allow the independent working of both runways because they merge either in the sky, so the coming traffic or outgoing traffic merge with each other.
And also it's like having
One runway, almost one runway. So it works like this, like Mumbai.
Now it is too late to discuss.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's the perfect.
Freighter company.
That's the fair comment, sir.
optimizing what is available is the best.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So some more points, sir, regarding this EAP government point of view, just now what ma'am realized that water. Today the water,
Whatever will get it.
That's one.
Leave it to me.
the second thing, sir, power also we required, sir.
So all these things it will follow. That's why Chief Secretary is there.
Yes, that's all.
We'll ask him to get it done, everything.
That's all, sir. That's nothing else. Nothing else.
So if you permit, sir, to
Have
Andhra Pradesh airports, a few airports of ours. So we have made a small presentation. If you permit, we'll just make it.
Yeah, 5 minutes?
Yes, sir.
By 7 minutes?
The copy, physical copy is with you. Can you run, please, sir? Sir,
Local representation, sir. Airport name, PVG Raj garu favored the bound. He has done a lot for education in our place.
అదేమ్మా
And then he is it's great, so ఒకసారి కన్సిడర్ చేయండి సార్.
ఒకసారి వర్కౌట్ చేయండి
Thank you, sir.
ఓకే కానండి
so we have airport, AI airport in Vijayawada, as you are aware. So Tirupati, Vizag civil enclave, which would get closed, just now we discussed.
Yeah.
Rajamundri and Kadapa. We have, sir, another airstrip, Donakonda, which is AI airstrip, which is non-operational because it doesn't have adequate land.
You have seen that airport,
Donakonda, sir?
Donakonda?
I have not seen, sir, but my team has seen, sir. So,
Airstrip is
so it can be expanded. We have asked, sir, 600 to 700 acre land from the state government. Then it can be converted into Airbus 320. The airport like Bhogapuram we can convert if we get 700 to 800 acre land. So it will become like Bhogapuram airport in terms of 45 million passenger per annum. We can do that in Donakonda. If we get 700 to 800 acre lands. And we feel that in that area there is no other airport, it can work. In future, not now, in fact after 10-15 years, it should be a good airport to do
for
so.
the existing 140 acres, sir. Additional if
So right now the land is only 140 acre.
but additional 600 more acres, then we can plan for a proper airport.
okay.
So to reach to 45 million, we would require terminal building and civil city side infrastructure. That's why we need to reach to almost 1,000 acre land to reach to that level of.
Okay.
Otherwise 25 million airport we can do in 700
Agreed.
acres, sir. So we don't have any issue, sir, but except in Tirupati, sir, the runway has been expanded to 3,700 meter and it can host a wide body aircraft. But unfortunately, sir, 11.1 acre of land, we have been requesting state government for last two and a half years. 11.1 acre, not much.
What is the problem there?
So problem is, sir, there is one court case is going on for 2.3 acre. In fact, last 3 years I have been trying that if that can settle, and another 8.7 acre state government has to acquire.
సో బేసికలీ సార్ ఒక 50 crores అమౌంట్ ఇచ్చి ల్యాండ్ కొనాలి సార్ అమౌంట్ పెండింగ్ చేసేస్తాం
Okay, you do it.
Yes, sir.
The small petty things also we are discussing.
Yes, sir, yes.
To get it done.
So, sir, the runway has been already expanded.
No,
So,
immediately we'll do it.
Sir. And second, sir, sir, as the Honorable Minister desired, we would be also creating through private party a terminal in the Tirupati which can take care of only the flights,
Okay,
chartered flight. So Kuppam, Honorable Minister yesterday spoke, sir. Kuppam comes within 85 kilometer of the existing Bayal airport. And 150 kilometer Nova airport can come for 25 years from their operation. So that time is ending in 2033. But after 2033, airport can come without the permission of Bayal. And personally, I feel it's a good site, so because it is very near to Bayal, and Bangalore airport would be getting saturated by 2037. It will be reaching to its final capacity of 90 to 95 million. So it would be good time to start thinking about Kuppam airport, and then configuration the way state government want to decide, and the agency through which it want to decide. So now we are in 2024. If we acquire land 2-3 more years, then probably.
No, land is available, everything is available. Tomorrow I want to
So
start.
land, sir, we need say 1,000 acres, sir, if we want to go to 45.
It is almost a
500
500
acres.
acres ఉంది సార్.
600 acres available, 400 acres I can acquire.
So then we can start working on that. We'll work with Bayal also to get the
What is
permission.
the land in Orokallu? 2,000. 1,000 acres will make it, that is one.
Sir,
Second airport, Dagadarthi. Dagadarthi is in Nellore district.
Nellore, sir.
Nellore.
So this was state government had proposed it, sir. So I am not aware, sir, what is now the future plan of the state government. It
Almost
was,
all tenders also we called last time, 5 years back.
sir,
I want to have some more smaller airports,
sir,
and then as you rightly mentioned, hub and spoke model,
sir,
all international flights, Tirupati,
sir,
Amaravati,
sir,
and Visakhapatnam, Bhogapuram. In course of time, Rajahmundry, Kadapa,
Sir.
you can make it.
sir.
Reasonable airports, I want to make
Yes,
it
sir.
now.
So one more airport which state government think is Nagarjuna Sagar. It is your own
That
airstrip.
also we are
So this is also placed as per our calculation within 150 kilometer. There is no existing airport.
That also we thought, that is also we want to have.
And so, a few projects which we are doing in right now is, sir, we are making a terminal building in Rajahmundry, additional terminal building, and also in Kadapa. And Vijayawada, you are well aware, so I am not speaking because unfortunately it is,
No, no,
delayed. It is delayed a lot.
Very, very badly
Very,
delayed.
very badly delayed.
I can say.
Sir,
Even I constructed that second terminal
sir,
within 6 months or 9 months or 1 year.
sir.
Now this building is going on for the last 5 years.
So we are keeping a very close watch now as per Honorable Minister direction within 2 months.
Yes, you have to come with the action plan.
Sir.
Otherwise, I will expose you like anything. Quickly, yeah. That is only the thing I can do.
Sir, another area, sir, which we felt is the northern most area of the Andhra Pradesh boundary. There is, as per our analysis, there is no airport. So maybe the state government may think, sir, on the
Where I want to have Molapeta port. Next to that, there is one airport. I think.
So with these airport, then, sir, almost entire Andhra Pradesh within
One more airport I want to have in Kakinada. That is Kakinada and Amalapuram in between.
Sir,
There is airport activity. This airport will be here. There must be one more.
sir,
Rajahmundry will be there.
Sir.
But one is Amalapuram area or Kakinada.
sir. So, sir, Kuppam hoga, so Kuppam and sir, Nagarjuna Sagar and Donakonda 3 and another one on the northern side, sir, we can start working. And
4, 5,
Airport.
even good models you prepare,
Sir,
we will give it to private.
Sir.
They will develop, they will operate.
sir,
Viability gap funding, I will give it to them.
sir,
Up to viability. That is the model, just like roads, PPP model. Yeah, you can work it out.
Actually, private developers, smaller capacity, below 4 million passengers, usually private parties are not very interested, but we can work out a model to make it viable
Yeah,
for
we
them.
can give some viability gap funding.
It can be done, sir. So we'll develop, we'll
You work it
collaborate
out.
with your officers.
It is only small investment, we constructed that airport only, how much? 160 crores, Oracle. Within how much time, 1.5 year? 18 months we have constructed.
sir, unfortunately, sir, the problem happens is that when you start such a airport, demand come for night landing, IFR, then as you were rightly saying earlier, in Bhogapuram, had we planned for two parallel runway? So it would have been better.
No, only
Sir,
problem
we
is
should
at the
plan
time
for
they
night
need-
landing also and IFR also, because everywhere, so these smaller airport get the least priority from the airline. You get the least preferred time, and maximum times, in my experience I have seen last 3 years, the moment we start airport, within 6 months, passenger start asking for night landing, and because of the visibility, the moment visibility goes below 5 kilometer, flight get cancelled, and nobody likes it. So my humble submission has been, and I've been telling secretary also and everywhere, that minimum configuration we should plan is, sir, night landing, IFR, ATR 72. In fact, ATR 72 is also inadequate. We should directly go to Airbus 320. For that, we require a 700 to 800 acre line. Then it become a full-fledged airport, which doesn't create any problem for next.
No, we will make it, as you rightly mentioned, full-fledged airport.
Think about airports, 800 acres is a good thought.
Minimum 800 acres I will give you, there is no problem. Only problem is, we can encourage public-private partnership. Then I may not bother. You can work it out.
Should we encourage our competitors, sir? No issue, sir.
Yeah.
So we will also compete, sir.
Yes.
Bhogapuram also they competed. Bhogapuram also.
Yeah, I remember. Originally, we objected everything. First of all, Greenfield airports, we objected. 32 meetings for me to convince Prime
So
Minister.
right now we won't object anything will, sir, help state government
Yeah.
to formulate plan
Yeah.
to invite the PPP.
We will work
No
it
issue,
out.
sir.
Okay, thank you.
Small submission. Sir, apart from this, the pharma industry also wants
That
water,
will
sir.
discuss here.
So for that, can we suggest any desalination plant that could support both of them, sir?
వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు దానికి
Private partnership ఏదైనా?
అదే మరి మనం మాట్లాడుకుందాం, మనం గవర్నమెంట్ సైడ్ మాట్లాడుకుందాం.
Thank you very much, sir.
వెహికల్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది బండి ఏడన్నా అర్థం కాలా